ENS Security was established from the year 2000. Our friendly sales representatives will help you find the perfect device for your business needs. We carry the most cutting-edge CCTV technologies in the world and only sell high-quality products with the lowest price on the market. Currently, we have over 10 branches nationwide, located in Los Angeles, City of Industry, San Francisco, Plainview, College Point, Brooklyn, Houston, Dallas, Chicago, Miami, and are currently growing from the east to the west coast of the United States. We have the best pre-sales consultation, the best after-sales tech support, and the best warranty for our products. From our knowledgeable staff to our on-time delivery services, we are confident that our products will help protect and grow your business. ENS Security. By professionals, for professionals.